name is Jonathan Mabry. I've been working at Delta Health for about a year and a half now. I'm a materials agent and buyer in the purchasing department at the hospital. So my duties at the hospital as a materials agent, I'm responsible for maintaining the inventory levels for supplies that are used throughout the hospital, including surgical supplies and office supplies. I come in, count things, make sure that everybody has what they need. If there's something going on back order, I'm responsible for finding a suitable replacement for those items and just making sure that everything is maintained in stock, we don't run out of anything, that everybody has what they need when they need it. I chose to work at Delta Health. I've been living in Delta for about 13 years now. I actually have 2 children who were born here in the hospital. I saw an opportunity to come and work for the hospital, thought it'd be a great fit. I've done some work in inventory and warehousing before and thought that it would be a good skill set that I could put to use to serve my community. My favorite part about the job is the people that I get to see. Working in purchasing, I've got a hand kind of in a lot of different pots, so I get to go around and deal with everybody throughout the hospital. So I get to meet a lot of new faces on a daily basis and get to kind of experience some different things every day. Working in a rural healthcare setting for me makes me feel really involved in the community. I feel like I'm doing an important job to really give back to where I live. It can be a little challenging getting the supplies that we need in a smaller hospital for sure, but it's very rewarding once you get what we need to do the jobs around here. When I think of working at Delta Health, the first word that comes to mind is community, instantly. Community because it's a small hospital. We're kind of isolated out here, so it's a pretty major part of what goes on in our town to work in the hospital. Delta Health, I think, has an excellent culture. I'm actually a member of the culture committee, so I get to go around and kind of judge how people are feeling about what goes on in the hospital. And I feel like we almost feel like a family here. We do a lot of things to get together and have a lot of fun outside of just working. There's a strong, I think, commitment to excellence. Everybody wants to do the very best that they can, and we try and have a really good time while we do it. The impact that I would like to create at Delta Health is definitely to maximize the savings. In the purchasing department, I feel like it's very important for me to get the supplies that we need, but at the price that is the best. We don't have a huge budget as a rural hospital. It's a nonprofit organization, so we definitely need to be able to do the jobs that are critical that need to be done, but I have a really big part in making sure that we get the best deal possible.